Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can turn off your airplane mode on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is scroll down to your control panel by simply just swiping down on the top right corner of your phone like this. You can see now your control panel has been opened, and there you can see currently my airplane mode is turned on. You can see a airplane like icon right here. It is currently orange right now. Simply just tap on it in order to turn off your airplane mode. You can see now your airplane mode has been turned off, and that is it. That is how you can turn off your airplane mode on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.